So which player would you predict? Would you predict would be the better shooter after 90 hours? Which player would you predict would be the better shooter after 90 hours? Player A, player B. I'm just telling you. Okay, player A, player B. Player A practices, player B also practices. Let me show you. This is the player A, which practices. This is the player B, also practices. Who practices? It means it is not so that they both players do not practice. They both player practice. What do you think? Which player will be the better shooter after 90 hours? Who would tell me? I'm not in a hurry. Which player would you predict would be the better shooter after 90 hours? Player A, player B. If player B, why player B? If player A, why player A? Which player would be the better shooter or better hitter after 90 hours? They both practice because two members have said practice makes the man perfect and makes a person perfect. So they both practice. You both have been practicing. Blue shirt, it means player A. Acha, Sandeep sir is liking blue shirt. Good. It's a blue shirt or t-shirt? It's a shirt. You people really, Sandeep sir. Okay, and player A and player B. Who would say? You can write it on in chat box of the player B. Okay, Chetan Vedya is saying player B. Jiten sir is saying player B. And come on, these many members are there. So player B, okay. Player A, fine. Hurry up, guys. Because look, this is also called the practice, which I'm asking you to do. Do it consciously. It's a deliberate practice. Don't hurry up. But at least you can respond. Player A, Amol sir, good. दोनों के दोनों प्रैक्टिस करते हैं 90 आवर्स, लेकिन दोनों की प्रैक्टिस में वी कैनॉट प्रेडिक्ट. ओके, अमोल सर इज सेइंग वी कैनॉट प्रेडिक्ट. अगर आप दोनों को प्रैक्टिस करते हुए देखो 90 आवर्स, कांट यू प्रेडिक्ट? अगर आप दोनों को 90 आवर्स प्रैक्टिस करते हुए देखो, कांट यू प्रेडिक्ट? अगर आप मुझे और निशांत सर को और श्याम सर को तीनों को प्रैक्टिस करते हुए देखते हो, कांट यू प्रेडिक्ट कि तीनों में से कौन अच्छा होगा? अगर हम तीनों प्रैक्टिस करें, आप लोगों के सामने, आपको पता नहीं पड़ेगा? यस यू वुड. तो मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूं, दोनों के दोनों 90 आवर्स प्रेडिक्ट करते हैं? हाँ, हाउ दे प्रैक्टिस. तो अब देखते हैं. अब अमोल सर ने कहा कि बिकॉज वी डू नॉट नो हाउ डू दे प्रैक्टिस, तो आप प्रेडिक्ट तो कर सकते हैं ना. इट मीन्स यू कैन प्रेडिक्ट. You say that sir A1 practices more, does something different. Okay, no, you can say yes, good. A person who has practiced more number of shots, very good, Tushar sir. Same. Why can't you predict? You feel A hits lots of shots more than B, so A would be the winner. Are you getting? Now let's head over to the topic which we have taken, so at least I would make you people understand. Yes, can you see now? Yes guys. So now let's have the player A. What player A does, so that is good. Player A, I'm talking about player A. You can talk about player B also. You can take it player B, but you have to tell me the difference. So I'm going to differentiate. Player A, 200 practice shots per hour. Player A, colleague retrieves shots. It means they extract the player A's shots. They find player A's shots. They tell players A's shots. Are you getting? Yeah. Keep a record of shot made, shot missed, and errors. Are you getting what do I mean to say, guys? So look, who would be the winner? And player B, what player B does? Only practice. Player B only practices, except this nothing. So who would be the better shooter after 90 hours? Of course, player A. And if you had said player B, there's no any problem. You can take player B instead of player A. But as Tushar Shande said that a person who hits more shots and shoots more shots, that person would be the winner. Of course, you take it as a, you take it as a B. I don't have any problem. But only you have to understand who would win. A guy who practices. So it's not all about the 90 hours. It's all about your practice shot per hour, per minute, per second. Your colleague retrieves your shots or not. So it means you have to leave the group of the average people. If average people do not, if you feel it, if I keep saying to my team members, do it, do it, do it. If they are not doing, I will not mind it. I will do it. I will 100% do it. If I ask them to complete the task, if they are not completing the task, I will complete the task. Why? Because I want to rise up. Then I will make another group. You know, all my team members used to say, sir has changed because sir does not share his feelings to us. I used to share. But what used to happen, whenever I used to share, I used to tell them to complete this task, they would never do it. They would have lots of excuses. What would I do? You have to be variable. You know, variable, it means changeable. Variable, a person who is flexible. Variable, who understands the changes. There should be an understandability that there should be so many things in you, varieties. If you are not variable, would you anticipate yourself that you would improve in your life? You would develop in your life? No. Because I started with these spoken classes, then conversation classes, then group discussion, then personality development, then communication skills program, then personal interview. So these all things you never used to teach together. Gradually, I kept adding, and still I add lots of things. Now new lessons, new vocabulary. Every day you get the message. Now I'm on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Telegram, Google, Just Dial, Sulekha, come on. You check it out, you will find lots of things over there. So did I come instantly on all platform medias, on medias channel? No. I just gradually did it and I kept doing it. Still I do it. My main target is to work on those things which are in my hand. I can control. I cannot control the situation, okay, but I can control myself. I cannot control the situation, but I can influence the situation. Okay, I cannot control you people, but I can influence you people. What's the big deal? This is called the deliberate practice. Why can't anybody do it?